Which aspect of Article 167(2) has the potential to create conflict between the Chief Minister and the legislature? Preparation of the budget, providing information on financial matters, presenting bills to the legislature, scrutiny of departmental expenditures. Scrutiny of departmental expenditures. Explanation. Article 167(2) typically pertains to the Chief Minister's duty to furnish information to the Governor or the head of state in some contexts relating to the administration of the affairs of the state and proposals for legislation. However, the potential for conflict arises from the scrutiny of departmental expenditures because this directly involves the legislature's power to oversee how the executive branch, including the Chief Minister's departments, is spending public funds. This scrutiny can lead to disagreements about policy priorities, efficiency of resource allocation, and accountability, especially if the legislature believes the executive is mismanaging funds or engaging in corrupt practices. The Chief Minister, responsible for these departments, might feel the legislature is overstepping its bounds or unfairly targeting them, leading to conflict. The legislature's power to approve or reject budget allocations also gives them significant power to challenge the Chief Minister's decisions in this area. Why the other options are less suitable? The first option is primarily the responsibility of the Finance Minister or department, not the Chief Minister, and involves a formal process with established rules and debates, lessening direct conflict. The second is a general obligation and would usually not lead to outright conflict. The third is a routine legislative function. Though debates can be heated, it doesn't create the same level of potential conflict regarding the Chief Minister's direct accountability for financial management.